SymTem, a COVID-19 symptom screening and management solution. Here's how the app works. Your employee receives a daily reminder before leaving for work. They open the app and complete a quick symptom survey. Next, they take their temperature and input the results. For additional peace of mind, they can add photo proof of their thermometer. Their symptoms and temperature are vetted against CDC symptom guidelines, state guidance, or customized criteria. They receive a digital badge. A ready-to-work badge grants access to your facilities for healthy users. A remote work badge offers customized next steps for symptomatic users. Additional features of the SymTem app: connection to an anonymous reporting hotline, PPE request options, cleaning and disinfection request, easy access to employer policies and procedures. What makes SymTem even better? It's connected to a robust management platform. Monitor and manage daily screening, collect employee requests for PPE, oversee disinfection requests, customize users and locations, trigger universal communications, and manage reporting. Customizable workflows make SymTem the ideal solution for employees, vendors, visitors, delivery personnel, and more. SymTem coordinates every piece of your re-entry plan. Manage a safe, healthy workplace, and stay compliant with the ADA, EEOC, OSHA, and the CDC, all with one easy solution. Ask how SymTem will work for your organization. Learn more at infomart-usa.com/SymTem.